What's up?
I'm young and flying, doing my thing.
You know what? Let's take a toast. Come tap your pimpin' with my pimpin'. Paper chasing, fast cars, money, and women. The unforgiving. Strife life is how I'm living. Hustling with precision. My field, my religion. Head stay spinning.
So your SunJoe is not working, right? When you plug it up, you're not getting the green light right here. You're not hearing that clicking sound. You press test, reset, all that. It's not working, right? Okay, so to get mine going, what I did was, because I noticed I had water in here, because I left it out in the rain. Don't do that. So the water got through the seals here, so everything was all rusted, corroded, and everything, right? So what I did was I got some contact cleaner WD-40 from Walmart, sprayed everything down real good. Also, I took that off as well and cleaned it, hit it with that spray. And then what I did was put dielectric grease on everything, silicone paste, dielectric grease. I put it on everything. I put it on the contacts right there for the two wires. Flip this around. I put it all on the circuit board in the front, side, everywhere. And it actually worked for me. I'm going to get this all back together, but to take it off right, you have two screws here, screw there, screw there, screw there, and here's a security bit screw. It took this bit right here. I'm not sure what that bit is called, to be honest, but it came from this kit right here, security bit set. So yeah, use my drill to take everything off right here. I don't have a drill driver because you really want to use that drill driver when screwing everything back together, because this can easily crack through that plastic, mess your whole thing up. But you work with what you got, right? So yeah, let me get this back together and I'll show you guys. Also, I did put grease underneath those contact points where the buttons go, just extra precaution. Slathered this thing with grease. So yeah, let me get it back together and show you guys. There we go. The light's green. Turn the pump on for a second. Everything works good. Just get your, I don't know what you call this thing, power source, but it has a GFCI in it, which may just be wet. And that's why you got to go through the test and reset. And that's what happened with mine. Mine was wet, had water inside, corrosion. All you really need is some contact cleaner, some dielectric grease. Doesn't matter what brand, any of that. You can get the stuff from Walmart, AutoZone, whatever auto parts store, and you're good. Just take this apart, put it back together. It's not hard at all. Just a couple screws. Yours may or may not have that security bit. It's just so to keep people out of messing with it. That's pretty much what that is for right there. But yeah, hope this helps out. It sure did help me out. Now I can power wash all these damn webs off my truck and everything else I got to power wash. But alright, y'all. Appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one.